Akin na yung ano. Ay, sana may isa. Oh, what this one? So she must to throw na daw the ano. What this one?
What?
Flip man yan sa hair.
Yeah.
Oh. Flip man yan. Dito yung ano mo para ano daw Ed. Oh, yes. Oh. For summer naman yata yan, summer.
It's okay.
Ay,
Girls, I'm not wearing this one for the horse. I wear this one.
This one?
And the Rafat Alam like this. I wear it and shoes the black.
When?
This one I wear it in Hafat Takharruj and my hair is like Cinderella. And Hafat Takharruj.
When nga? What day? Thursday?
My hair, no, what I'll eat, I make Hafat Takharruj. I wear like Rafat Alam.
Oh,
And
what,
my
like
hair
back,
like this
back. What? Like that one, your hair?
Yeah.
And then, how you do? How you walk?
My hair like this one.
Eh, how you walk? So you walk like this one. See. Walk like that one daw, Susilin. That's what we do daw. Kasi nga daw ano yung sabi niya sa ano ba yan? Ayan pa yan I-throw mo na sa plastic yung ano. I-throw mo na sa plastic yung ano ba yun? Throw the plastic. Throw the plastic na.
Yes, it's this one. Look, is that one? Look, is that? Look,
Oh, what's that?
Mama! Mom, can I sparkle?
That's what she has there. Ayun din daw yung sa akin, yung white chocolate. Oh, so thank you, madam. Oh, yun din. Ito din yung para sa akin. Yun, may additional na naman akong ano.
Is there some sparkle here? Look.
What's that?
It's sparkle.
Matro na naman yan.
No, it's not. It's lipstick. I'm just kidding.
That's what inside. I don't know what this one. We just what inside ba? Okay. Parang mga ano siya. Parang mga lipstick yata ito.
What is that?
Ayan, parang mga
Lipstick?
parang mga lipstick. Ayan nga. May ano siya, may
Wow.
ayan, sus, ginawa ko pang ano man sa eyebrow. Grabe ka bibo ba yan pang eyebrow. So ayan. That one, this one is inside. Oh, this one is inside. Oh, ayan na. That one, parang ano, reply na to sa eyebrow yata yan. Ayan, ewan ko ito, perfume siguro, ewan ko. So, thank you, madam. Thank you for the hadiah. And Sisi also for hadiah. Ayan, for Sisi. She is very busy na. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you for watching. Shout out to all of us that we are watching. You are watching for us. Thank you. Thank you for more blessings. make a little medicine.